What is going on, folks? I am Suburban Angling and I'm back out here doing some more fishing for you guys. So in this video I'm doing something really cool and something again a little bit different for you guys. So the Topwater bite is finally on up here in northern Illinois. I mean it's been on for a little bit, but I got my first good Topwater bite. So in this video the target was smallmouth bass, so I was throwing this spook right here. You know, it was clear water. Whopper plopper would have worked, popper could have worked, but they really seem to be keyed in on the walking bait. The reason why this spook right here is important is because this is actually made and custom painted by a local guy here in Illinois. Obviously this is just a white spook with a cool airbrushed black eye. I really like that, came out really well. And obviously this is a simple design. I'm going to show you a little bit more of what he has to offer and some of the other stuff that he makes really fast before we get into the fishing, so bear with me. Okay, so starting off, we have this sick glide bait, swim bait, whatever you want to call it. And I'll tell you guys right now, he uses some really good hooks, really good O-rings, the KVD triple grips. These things are awesome. And I have not thrown this bait personally yet, but you know, judging by, you know, his Instagram page and the feedback that he tells me that he gets, there's tons of people that, you know, are getting his baits, using his stuff, and they're coming back for more. And that's the important thing. You know, they're not just getting stuff and once it breaks they don't want it. No, they're catching enough fish on these things. They're, you know, they're durable. People are coming back for more. I'll tell you guys right now, durability wise, see how there's paint knocked off this spook? This is from me casting it, you know, 30-40 miles an hour right at hard rocks, hard boulders on the river shore, and this thing didn't crack, didn't break. He uses really good blanks. I like that. Here is some other spooks that he made for me in all black. I obviously, you know, we got the all white, we got the all black. I specifically asked for that just because I like using solid color baits with really good contrast on the water. So again, really good hooks, cool airbrush design on that eyeball, and then he gave me a solid eye because, you know, they're the same thing, but he just threw me an extra basically. This is one that I specifically requested, and I feel like it's a color that's really underrated, baby bass. Yes, he painted this himself, and this is a sick popper. I just know this thing's gonna get him really good. A lot of the rivers that I fish have a lot of weeds where, you know, baby bass, little largemouth, little smallmouth love to just sit up in, and honestly, we all know this, bass are cannibals, and I mean the bottom of it is white, yes, but the paint scheme in general is just sick. He does a really good job on this stuff. And then of course I'll just show you guys this one real quick because I think it's cool. Little Bob Marley, little Jamaica theme, rainbow theme on that black spook, little flash on it, pretty sick. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna leave a little picture of his business card somewhere up here on the screen. If I didn't do that before, I'm doing it again right now, and if I did it already, I'm doing it again right now. So that's enough rambling. Obviously I want you guys to go check out his stuff. I'm gonna leave a link to his Instagram page down in the description below. He does really good stuff, again located locally here in Illinois, and obviously he can ship too, so if you guys are watching this from outside of the state, he'll ship to you. He does a lot of different designs, you know, square bill crankbaits, rattle traps, poppers, whopper ploppers, spooks, anything you name it, he will paint it for you. But yeah, that's enough of that. Let's get right to the fishing because I'm really excited. We got a lot of awesome blow-ups in this video. You know, it was a fun day, and I hope you guys have fun watching. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh my God. There he goes. Oh, you son of a... That was a nicer one too. The thing is, like, I have some dark sleepers. Like, if I throw... Like, that's like their kryptonite in this river. And then the... Oh, look. See, look. It hit... Look. It hit the water. It hit the water and he was already on there. Yeah, but if you throw a little dark sleeper, it's like it hits the water and you're already on. They be smoking, because there's a lot of gobies here. Yeah, and sculpin. Yep, yeah, the sculpin, yep. Okay. A little guy. These little ones are, the little ones with the troubles are 5 times scarier than the big ones. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There he goes. You guys saw that? On the little Frishies spook with that custom airbrushed eyeball. I like that. I like that. Another little cookie cutter smallmouth. Let me get him up here. They're in that mode. All right, another little smallmouth on the topwater. Let's get like a 3-pounder, eh? That's what's doing the damage. White spook. It's not pearl white though. It has like little sparkles to it, a little bit of flash to it. Nice all black airbrushed eye. Some really sharp, good hooks, big hooks. I like that he put bigger hooks on there because smaller hooks might catch less weeds, but they also catch less fish. Yeah, those shorelines on the right where it kind of smooths out, they should be over there. On the left where those geese are too. Come on. Hold on, I'm about to just all the way over there. Oh, there he goes. Stayed a minute. Get him in. Another one on that little spook.
Rides up in a second.
Yeah, because it might just be the walk the dog stuff. Because that day, me and my buddy were catching them on top water. Like, I was throwing a whopper plopper and slaying them. And they threw a popper. And, like, their first cast, they caught one. And then after that, like, they didn't catch them. But then oh, he's on. He's on. He was swimming fast. But, whatchamacallit. But then eventually the popper started hitting just as hard. I feel like it was just they had to figure the cadence out. Oh shit. My anti-reverse just opened. I might have just hit the notch a little bit. That's alright. It's a little bit better. Sure.
Yeah, guys don't use them like, bro, you can put it exactly where you want.
And then just let it sit there. Yep. Get out of here. I was watching the smallmouth on the fight carp.
Oh yeah.
They were just like,
yeah.
Oh look, he just hit the out the water. Stupid.
And those suckers are huge.
Oh yeah. Oh, that one hit it without even taking it out. Oh, okay. He's swimming fast. I don't even know where he's at. Oh, there he is. Or we could probably walk closer. They're not gonna get scared. Yeah, he put some razor sharp hooks on there, dude. Damn. Another little one. We caught a couple that were like 14 inches, but I need me a tubby. Oh no. That one was nice. Yeah, they're busting on that shoreline. Oh, I got one. I think he's little. Oh, he's not bad. On that spook.
Oh, they're after the bite, dude. First cast got a bite.
Yeah. There you go. Another one, a little bit better, all little frishies. That was sick. Right in front of me. Oh. That was sick. I hope I got that on camera. That little frishy spook putting in work. Like he's big enough I can actually just grab his lip. Yeah, braid is like love-hate relationship. The better one on that little frishy spook. Dude, I hope you guys saw how he smacked that, because that was, yeah, Topwater smallmouth. Oh my God. That thing hit the water and got blown up on. He got off though. Let's run that one back. Shit. That was another nicer fish for sure. Yeah, that bait hit. Oh, he just missed it. There he is. That's a better one. Yep, that's a good one. Yep. 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 My little frishy's white spook. There he goes. There he goes. Now he's starting to fight. He's got some weeds with him. Yeah, he does. Whoa. Look how they got the spook in his mouth. He got like like all of those little trouble points are in his mouth. It'd be like that. There's one that's kind of chunky. Get him in the sunlight. It's a better one. Take him with the little gut. You saw that one just follow me in? Stupid. A big one. That's a big one. I saw his body come out the water and I instantly was like, oh yeah, that's a better one. He's not big, but he's big for what we've been catching. That's a chunky one.
Fat, dude. Fat.
Yeah, that one's fat as f, dude.
Yeah, big belly, dark color too.
See, like, I feel like this is like, I don't know, like maybe it's pre-spawn, you know?
Dude, they could be.
And it's just like gonna be on the bed in like a week, you know? That's a better one. I'll take one like that.